Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the battery in an iPhone 6 Plus, and I'm sorry if my voice sounds weird. I've been sick since Wednesday, so I'm doing a lot better than, well, Friday. Yeah, so Thursday, is just starting to get really bad, and then Friday was the worst one. Saturday was getting better, and here I am today, Sunday. So that's why I didn't post yesterday. I was too sick. So yeah, and don't worry, I'll make a video on this computer next week or next time, and you can see pretty interesting computer. So can't wait to make that video. Being sick really sucks, but anyways, as you can see, here it is, and this phone is on iOS 9.2.1. I got this on eBay as a 4-parts phone, which supposedly had a bad touchscreen, but then I fixed it. But there's one problem with this phone, and that is the touchscreen gets worse over time. So you have to open it up and reconnect the battery, and then yeah, the touchscreen will go back to normal. But anyways, you want to unscrew the 2 pentalobe screws on the bottom. Then you want to get a tool in there, maybe a suction cup to pull up on the screen. Then you can get this pick here. You can use a guitar pick if you want, and just slide it. And there we go. That is the iPhone 6 Plus. And I recommend you take off the display first. First of all, you want to unscrew and disconnect the battery. So yeah, there you go. And then can start to unscrew the display bracket. And if you want to start repairing cell phones, the iPhone 6 is actually a great place to start. It's easy to open up. The only thing you have is the home button, so yeah, that's pretty great. And yeah, so now that the display is off, can take out the battery here, and I can just take it out. And usually there'd be pull tabs here, and they're pretty easy to take out actually, because there's plenty of room here. And if you can't get this one out, just get the battery out. It's something like this or like this, I don't know. But anyways, once you've gotten your old battery out, you can put your new one in. And what I recommend doing is that you connect it, and then you place it, and then you can disconnect it. Make sure that you can reconnect the battery without any issues. And once you're done with that, make sure you apply the adhesive too. And if your battery doesn't come with adhesive, make sure you get the pull tabs up. Sorry. Make sure you get the pull tab part, stick it here first, and then you just like wrap it around. But anyways, you can just connect the display. My mom actually had an iPhone 6 Plus. That thing doesn't work anymore. It was water damaged and the display was completely shattered. I tried to fix it once and then I put this bracket here on wrong because I thought that was the connector for the battery. Yeah, I put it on wrong and then I forced the display down and then it never turned back on. So that was really sad. It was on like iOS 12 or something, so it was kind of completely worthless, but still. I still have that iPhone with its original box and stuff. I think that one was a 2014 model. So my mom actually wanted a gold one, but they were all sold out, I think. So that's kind of unfortunate. Oh well, she has an 8 Plus now. And then now you can just reconnect the battery and screw the bracket back in. Oops. I thought the screw fell for a second. Oh, never mind. And once you're done doing that, you can test the phone, and if it's still working, you can put the screen down. And then you can screw the 2 pentalobe screws in. Got stuck for a second. And yeah, that's how you replace the battery in an iPhone 6 Plus. Yeah, this one's a 16 gigabyte. And apparently, why does it say no service? There's no SIM card in it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Sorry I couldn't get a more interesting video out. Follow my Twitter at ufelix5. It's going to be in the description below, and it has a link, and it's also in the About page on my YouTube channel. So, yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.